What is your relationship deal breaker? That one thing you could not forgive each other for. What's up, Virgonation? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a very interesting one. Yeah, don't run. If y'all want run, it's only me. You know, I pull out me here and I wait and let's come and help me finish it. The other day we posted a flyer on our YouTube channel which was entitled Ask the Virgos. It was basically giving you guys the opportunity to ask any couple related questions. So today we're gonna be answering those questions. Majority of the questions though are questions that we've already answered in previous videos. So if you're kind of new to the channel, no problem, you can go back and watch some of those videos and you will get your answers for sure. And we are hoping that answering these questions will give you a clear understanding on our relationship and how it works, or it will help you in your relationship. Alright, Virgonation, welcome back to our live chat. Is this a live chat? It feel like a live. Feel like we can do a live. Because I already setting up and we're going with a while ago. We're here to answer your questions. Lisa going to pull up me here. Talk to you. Me or not all Virgonation? Lisa,
yeah, you're playing it, true.
Yeah, only one partner really tall is like the rich part I made. You know that part? You know which part I talk about, right?
I wonder if you're going to lose it. You're here middle, you know.
Them say, man, you lose them here, so I rich somebody, so maybe me I go rich. Pray for me. Well, I pray for myself. Pray for me, Virgonation.
I think man saying rich in love already. What more you want?
Virgonation, we're gonna get into the questions right away. We are no relationship advisors.
As a couple, how difficult is parenting? Do you have different ideals you'd like your daughters to live up to, but they might oppose what you both want for them? There's a question sign there, so that's what makes it a little bit,
Yeah.
But as a couple, wouldn't you say that we basically see eye to eye when it comes on to the girls?
Yeah, I
in
feel
most cases.
Yeah, I feel like we have the same goals for the girls, and what we can do is just try to show them the right way, the way that we believe is the right way.
Yes.
Live a life that is an example to them. But we all know how them think that God's people get older, they will want to, how do I put it now? Maybe in the future they'll want to do things their own way, or see things different from how
we see it.
We see it,
and we're just here to. We have to be here to support them, guide them, but we can't really impose too much on their decision making. It is good to allow kids to forge their own path and learn to,
But just be there to support as much as possible, in whichever way you can.
Right.
You like to answer the Virgonation? Alright. We're no experts here, so there's no wrong or right answer.
Yeah, sweet. Should you turn off your fan and wipe off your face?
What is your relationship deal breaker? That one thing you could not forgive each other for. I feel like you talked about this already.
Yeah, we answered this one already. Well, I answered that already. You've never told me that there's a deal breaker for you, to be honest.
I feel like me and you share the same deal breaker, but Virgonation, Liz's deal breaker is me having a child outside of our relationship. And when I think about the question, is like we share the same view. Imagine me there, celebrate, Liz get pregnant and we were having a baby, and when the baby born, baby white, nose straighter than for me.
Hold on, babes. Hold on. They're not a wicked mother wicked still affect no say. Hold on, for no say there's a doubt and go all 9 months and not make you know nothing.
But what if people do that, right? Virgonation?
That.
So that is why it's called a deal breaker. Alright. That is why I call it.
That's my opinion.
And you're sticking to it.
Somebody else will feel differently, but that's not right.
This next one is for you, Liz.
Why is it that we have never seen Liz's family in any of the videos? It's normally Romaine family.
Romani.
Alright, so first of all, my family members that I'm like really, really close to, they don't live in Jamaica. They're off the island, and as you can see, it's a pandemic. And on top of that, some of my family members are genuinely camera shy. Like, and it's not something that you want to force onto anybody. If you want to be in a video, you can be in a video. We talk every single day. We're on the phone for hours. They're in the live chat when we premiere the videos. They are the ones that call and say, oh, we're not getting no video. Or, what do I do? Or, oh, that takes a long to post. Very supportive of everything that we're doing. Sometimes they'll call me and say, boy, I wish I could have did it if you just take the baby them phone now. But, yeah, I could get to see them, man. Eventually.
What is your take on the word submissive? Do you think a woman must be submissive for a marriage to be successful?
It's for both of us to answer. You go first.
Submissive is a nice word. I like it. I joke, man. How me feel about that, Virgonation? I feel like if you go both ways, it work. You know, because if a woman is being submissive in a relationship, it is a good thing. But what if she's being submissive but she's not happy? You know, I just feel like submissive, or the word is it submission? Yeah, should be a two-way thing for it to work. Yeah, perfectly. What says you?
What say I? I was going to say that you teach my answer. I was going to say I believe it is necessary from both parties. Because a part of being submissive, a very big part of it is compromise.
Yeah, true.
So you're supposed to kind of look at me and say, Liz, don't do that, without me like questioning it, but trusting you and your judgment, depending on the situation.
Yeah.
You know, that happened enough times between the two of we where we just can't say right
Mosquito
out.
that?
Where?
Gee, no. You like a bird. See, look, see that?
Romy, I don't see it.
You're blind. Good.
Yeah, so enough time may you have that situation where maybe we can't spell it out right away, but you just know, say, okay, I don't want you to do that. Don't do it. And we work. And every time, but
Yeah.
it's not an issue for us.
You're right. Yeah. Next question. What do you think about a huge age gap relationship? For example, a couple who is married, the man is 70 and the woman is 25.
Not for me.
That one is tough. Someone tell us, someone underneath that question replied. You want to read it?
Age don't matter, but if the looks are his downstairs, can get upstairs. It's getting hot in here.
Literally, come here, sweat.
The person responded, age don't matter, but if the looks are his downstairs, can get upstairs or going out, are all your insecurities in the criticism, etc. Question is, what are female in for? Genuine love or money? Is that simple? Shots fired and points taken.
Exactly. I'm not gonna say, because some of what the person said is true in a sense, because if it's real love, it shouldn't matter.
I was going to say love has no quality,
Yeah.
No color, no shape, no size,
Yeah.
no age.
Yeah.
If you fall in love,
Yeah,
you're just in love.
Yeah,
you can't decide who.
Once you have at the age to have a relationship like that.
Once you're over 18.
Yeah, exactly. So we have to make that be clear too. But 70 and 25 is a question.
It's a big gap.
It's a ratted gap,
It's a big gap.
Cheese and peace.
But To each his own, yeah, man.
Yeah, if the love is real, then to each his own. But me know for sure, say, sex is such an important part of every relationship. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking a 25-year-old, them time they in your prime, them time they, you know, if you're sexually active, you want to have sex, like, you know,
Oh, yeah,
depending
so-
on the
oh, yeah.
person still,
Yeah,
but
79 of them prime.
oh gosh, Liz, man, come on, man. We not fool myself. You have some people take care of themselves and healthy and work out and do them thing, but 70 Liz? No, sir. A few. It's only a few.
If they
But
take care of themselves.
I don't feel like when we reach 70, I can perform. So I will try still. If I reach 70, I will just hug you up and say, come here, my darling, come go to bed.
Alright, Masro.
I say, yes, honey. They help us put up the bed.
Help her because for the baby.
Them time that you goodly, I don't know. You goodly just want relax, man, you know? So,
Alright, next
No.
question.
to each his own. Yeah.
My friend's boyfriend has a female bestie. He tells his bestie everything in caps. He calls her first with good news and can't wait to share their good news with her. I don't know what to tell her. I said he needs to draw boundaries and his girlfriend is his bestie, not another woman. What say y'all? What say you, Ram?
Yeah, me no so join. That's on our way, you know. It's like
Right.
in a virgin. If like you have a girlfriend where you tell a whole heap of things, even though me still no agree with it, but to me, bestie is a girl. That's the problem
For you?
in that.
So you couldn't have a female bestie?
You know sound right. Yo, listen, and that is my opinion. Something I go on, something that's just the truth. Like,
I mean,
female
you can't
bestie.
say that. Suppose they make a person go start pre or boyfriend. Scratch that.
No. No. On the other hand, I just feel like your partner should be the one who you tell everything that is important. You know,
Everything that is important.
everything.
Okay, but you went. That is important.
No, but because they mentioned something like that in this.
Everything full stop.
Oh, everything. Sorry. So my head. All right. But yes, fine. So, your partner should be the one you tell everything. You know, worry about nothing for your partner because you don't want to know say the first person.
My fair turn. My fair go say here.
You know, may I block you?
Yeah.
Hush. Yeah, you don't want your partner hear something where she should hear first from somebody else.
Yeah, don't it?
Liz kind of teach me that for a long time too.
You don't say about state?
Big up. Honestly, maybe not to the point I'm really want it for there. I'm growing, so you know it will get there. Less than 3.
2-1.
What is your take on it though?
I don't think the sex matters, meaning whether it's a female or a male, because females have male besties, and I know that a lot of men have female besties as well, or it's just not your thing. But it's just the part where he's sharing stuff with his bestie before his partner, and I also agree that your partner should be your best friend as well. I don't mean your partner should be your only best friend, but your partner should also be your best friend because by right, you're supposed to be in this together, quote unquote.
But can you have 2 best? You can have 2 best friends?
Of course.
So
Yes, you can. You can have more than one best
So
friend.
we can have a good friend, a real
Better
friend, better friend, best friend, a best friend, and a best friend.
Yeah.
females don't know weird, you know?
You can't pour that one best friend. Man.
Wow. Yo, listen what this person said underneath it. LOL, that's crazy. Your partner should always come first in everything. She should be the first to hear all the good news, and he should not tell the best friend everything. There should be boundaries. I talk to him about his behavior, and if he doesn't change, then I exit the relationship and tell him to go and be with her since she, well, it cut off. I'm gonna get paid.
You never get
Screenshot
paid.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then somebody else underneath it says, they're flirting girls, straight up. First, the woman she has should be the priority, not the best friend, unless him have something up. Cut it off. Cut that.
I love it. I love it. It's spicy.
Yeah, but I kind of agree with that person to a point. Somebody else say, straight up, I don't tolerate from man, so I'd show him the door.
Wow. I mean, I agree with the last part, but because you can't be too jumpy to, you know. As soon as they go and get stuff, you're ready for show him the door now.
Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah, that can be a problem for you find, yeah, love. Next question is for Liz.
Can you explain the feeling you get when you're at a live show, seeing or hearing the love of your life performing, especially when other ladies are screaming for Mr. Virgo? What feelings consume you? I'd love to hear. Big up Mr. Virgo. Love you guys.
First of all, the people in beside Liz can't hear themselves too. She go. I joke.
No, what a real talk, man. When I go to his shows, I'm not Mrs. Virgo. But lack of that, I'm literally in fan mode. Well, fan mode, assistant mode. I mean, I know go out for go stand up for them man, hug up and no. I'm in fan mode, so one thing I don't do, I don't really like watching his shows from backstage. I go in the crowd so that I can enjoy the vibe and hear if the sound is good, all sort of things. And I like to see other women's reaction to his music and his performance as well. So trust me, it's a vibe.
Yeah, man, she likes
Make me proud, you know?
She likes the ladies, them, you know, because she knows that I have to share whenever it come on to
Exactly.
a stage. She have to share me with all of you beautiful ladies out there, because she can't just keep me for herself like that.
Babes,
you know what I mean?
What me tell you when you button up your shirt up here, so what
Yo! So, if you ever see me go up on stage, and my button are there, like, sometimes I wear them open, I call them windy breezy, them colourful shirt the way you see me button up. If you see the button up here, so, and me dress myself, we got the show. You see, if you see down here, so like, chest are showing them something there.
Sexiness, you know?
Let's just say you have to look sexy for the ladies.
Yeah,
so.
you have to go out there and execute sex appeal. What her
Bud chest out there. But trust me, it's like me enjoy having her at the show. She has somebody who sometimes you will see a carry females backstage and say, hey, them want pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures. It's a beautiful thing, you know. She's not selfish with me. Yeah. Anyways.
Chicken. I'm so funny. You don't think I'm a funny? Yourself? You don't think I'm a funny? I'm a funny. My was a chap, but a chaplain.
One time of Charlie. Charlie Chaplin.
Oh,
yeah, but it's a vibe. Live shows, me can't wait to get back on stage. Jesus.
The next question is, in a marriage, is it belittling or emasculating to ask your husband about his whereabouts, and why is he not at home at the expected time? My husband said that I'm treating him like a boy, even though I don't view that way. All I do is check on him, and granted, I don't call him every minute of the day, so should put that sign there.
How my answer this now is, if really and truly you don't call him every minute or every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, him shouldn't have no need to feel like a little boy or you belittle him. And the truth is, if him tell you exactly where I'm going each time, and whereabouts, like, for example, how we do it, if I go to the studio, I'm going to the studio. Reach the studio, reach at the studio now. I can leave out from the studio, leaving out from the studio now. If it's not a situation like that, it's just somebody just go up on the road, him now, so him I go. And I mean, in that case, I feel like you have the right to find out and to check up even more than often, because now you don't know. And you know, normally if it's outside of work time, him now come back in a time where you have normally see him come back home. It's fair to, you know what I mean, check up in those times when somebody go up on the road, don't say where they might go. You even know what's going on. So nothing is wrong, and I feel like in that scenario, I just care. But if it's otherwise, like you know him there, but you call him 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in between, then he may start feel like, no sir, I feel like a little baby, and you know, mommy I check in for me every minute. You know, no man no one feel them way. Yeah, so
but she said she not call him every minute still.
She said, granted, I don't call him every minute, but do you call him every 5 minutes?
And when you call, you cross questioning.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. But I think it is important for each partner to know exactly where
Know your whereabouts.
you're gonna be.
Or, you know, the vicinity that you will be in. And good to check in. That way, if something happens outside of the norm, it's easy to pick up if something is wrong. Like, I'm hoping that's not the case, so she have video call him or attempt to figure 360 with the camera.
Oh, yeah, all them way. Me know them thing they go. Like, you know, like, me know them thing they go. But
who did that to you? Definitely not me.
when we say that, I say it might sound away.
No, but me not really take it as nothing, because me know say me. Not do that.
No, but we can just imagine, like, you know, somebody a video call you, yo, let me see who they're on, like, you know, sir.
And I watch your background.
We can't, yeah.
You talk to the person when I look past you.
Yeah, say, why you never like you're looking at each other? Why you bend your head and you can't ask you? Alright.
No.
That is my opinion. There is no wrong or right answer for these questions.
Yeah, everybody different.
Everybody different.
But find out what about the checking in that he doesn't like. And let him know why you check in with him.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you for sending these questions. And we hope you got some clarity. You know, if you agree with what we said in most of these questions, let us know in the comments below. You know, what are your thoughts on these questions? You know, these are our
opinions.
These are our opinions. And, you know, we could be wrong, we could be right.
But it's what works for us.
Yes.
Or what we think could work for us. We're going to try to do this more often. We got so many questions. Yeah, man, we can't have only sit down now and then. And you guys send us your questions. And if nothing, we can answer as best as possible. Or as best as we know how. Remember now, we're not experts. We are evolving. We are still young. And we are basically using some of our experiences to tell you what would work for us, basically.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that one. You know.
Hope you didn't fall asleep.
Yeah. Like, share, comment.
Subscribe
If you're not yet subscribed. See you in our next video, Virgonation.